How to fix Amazon reviews not showing up tutorial 2026 in this video. I am going to show you how to fix Amazon reviews that are not showing up and explain the most common reasons why this happens in 2026. If you've left a review on Amazon but it hasn't appeared yet, don't worry. In many cases, the review is simply going through Amazon's moderation and verification process before being published. First, give Amazon some time. Most reviews appear within 24 to 72 hours, but in some cases it can take several days or even longer during busy periods. Amazon checks reviews for authenticity, policy compliance, and suspicious activity before making them public. Second, make sure your review follows Amazon's community guidelines. Reviews containing promotional content, external links, personal information, offensive language, or content unrelated to the product may be removed or never published. Third, verify that you posted the review in the correct section. Sometimes users accidentally leave seller feedback instead of a product review, which means it won't appear on the product's review page. Next, check whether your purchase was a verified purchase. Verified purchase reviews generally have a higher chance of being displayed, while reviews from unverified purchases may face additional screening. Another thing to check is your Amazon account activity. New accounts with limited purchase history, or accounts flagged for unusual activity may experience review delays or restrictions. If your review was visible before but later disappeared, Amazon may have removed it during a secondary review process if it detected a policy violation or suspicious pattern. You should also make sure you're viewing the correct Amazon marketplace. For example, a review posted on Amazon.com may not appear on Amazon Co. UK or other regional Amazon websites. If more than 2 weeks have passed and your review still isn't showing up, contact Amazon customer support and ask them to investigate the review status. Here's a pro tip: keep your review honest, specific, and focused on your real experience with the product. Reviews that provide useful details without promotional language are more likely to pass Amazon's review system successfully. That's it. Now you know the most common reasons Amazon reviews don't show up and how to troubleshoot the problem in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether your Amazon review eventually appeared or if you're still experiencing the issue.